Hello friends, today with me I have the buffet classic chicken nuggets and they are going to be ready in minutes, that's what's written. And today we are going to cook them in an air fryer. So I bought this and we had reviewed the buffet chicken nuggets earlier. So today I'm going to show you how to make them in an air fryer. And this is a packet that I have. It says classic chicken nuggets and the illustration of the nuggets has been shown. The MRP of the product is rupees 50. And on the back of the pack you can see the ingredients are mentioned right here. 60% is chicken, breadcrumbs are 13%, and rest there are other ingredients in it as well, like preservatives and stuff. So yeah, it's an 80-gram pack and today we are going to make it. So what we get inside this 80-gram pack is 5 chicken nuggets. This is how they look. So let me quickly remove it and show it to you. This is how the nuggets look, coated with breadcrumbs, and we are going to cook it in my air fryer right here. I have the Havells Air Fryer and we are going to cook it in that. So guys, I have placed the nuggets in the air fryer basket right now and I'm using a silicone mold right here. So I have placed the nuggets in that and I'm going to drizzle in some oil and then I'll on the air fryer. So guys, I've added the oil as well and now I'm just going to close it and I'm going to set my air fryer to the chicken mode, so which is at 180 degrees Celsius and for 20 minutes. So we don't need to cook it for 20 minutes because it's a pre-cooked thing. So I'll just reduce the timer to like a good 10 minutes, 10 to 12 minutes. Let's keep it at 12 and let it cook. You guys can see that the chicken nuggets are completely cooked and well browned from all the sides. So now is the time to remove them from the air fryer. So I'm going to quickly turn off the air fryer and remove the chicken nuggets. So I'm going to remove them little by little. So just going to place them in a plate and then I'm going to show you all how it looks. So again I'm going in, picking up another nugget. So total of 5 nuggets in there. So I removed 2 already. So here are the other 3, which I'm going to come here and place them in this. So nice hot crispy nuggets are ready. We'll just let them cool down for some time and they'll be nice and crispy and hot to eat. So guys, these are the buffet nuggets that we got and they look amazing. Can't wait to taste them right now and see how wonderful they taste. Guys, here are the fried buffet chicken nuggets and they are very well and nice and crispy, and you can see they look amazing, round in shape right here. And now we are going to do a taste test of this and I'm going to tell you how amazing they taste. So guys, this is a taste test of the buffet chicken nuggets. Crispy on the outside and juicy on the inside. Amazing tasting nuggets. Really like them. If you guys are looking to buy the buffet chicken nuggets, it's available online. You can purchase it from there. I left a link in the description below, so do check it out.